Hey socialites, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Ariell. I create mainly beauty videos, fragrance, as well as lifestyle vlogs. So be sure to hit the subscribe button so you too can become a socialite. In today's makeup tutorial, we'll be concentrating on the eyes. I do want to thank Game Beauty as well as my friends over at Magic Links for partnering with me on today's video. So I'll be featuring a brand of makeup that's actually really new to me. Game Beauty is a makeup brand created by gamers, inspired by gaming. Okay, socialites, so I do want to start off by introducing to you two new palettes to me. This is the Victory palette from Game Beauty. Packaging is stunning, inspired by gaming. Here's the back of it. So when you open it up like envelope style, here's the actual shades, and it does come with a nice size mirror attached. So these are the shades from the Victory palette, and they are quite pigmented. And these are the shades from the Harbinger palette. And I love how the palettes have a great mix of matte shades as well as some beautiful chrome and duochrome shades. So I'm just going to clean up my brows a little bit, and then we'll go right into the shadow look. And I'm just going to add a little bit of loose setting powder to the lids. I was sent over the 5-piece eyeshadow brush set, and I was also able to get a few other brushes, couple more shader brushes, and then an angled shader as well. So I'm going to go into the Victory palette first using the E06 brush. I'm going to take Op and blend that in the crease. And then I'm going to take the color Glory, which is a coppery shade, with my E06 brush. So it does have coppery shades in there, and it has yellow golds as well. Very different. I'm going to take the darkest shade Tank with my E03 brush and apply that to the outer third, but in an angle. Going into the Harbinger palette with my E10 brush, I'm going to take the matte black shade and just basically trace the liner. Just gives it a slight smokiness. For primer, I'm going to use the Dior Forever Glow Veil with my Dior Forever Natural Nude Foundation. My LYS Cream Contour Stick. Dior Forever Skin Correct Concealer. To set my highlighted area, is going to use my One Size Ultimate Setting Powder in the color Ultra Pink. I'm going to bronze my skin with the Hourglass Ambient Powder. I'm going to slightly deepen my contours with my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder in the color Ebony. A little bit of my Koki Gradient Blush. LYS Natural Finish Spray. Makeup Forever Limitless Brown. Sephora Collection number 21. And Dior Gloss. So this is the final look. I love how the look turned out. Every single thing that I used today will be linked down below in the description box, so be sure to check that out. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit subscribe on your way out. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.
'Cause I've been where you are. Don't you skip to show me love. 'Cause too fresh with the scars. Well, I don't have the answers.